Transform your gym into a local fitness magnet with the power of smart SEO digital guider to lead the way. Boosts local visibility. SEO helps your gym appear in local searches like gym near me or fitness center in city. Optimizing your Google business profile and local directory listings can drive more foot traffic from nearby customers. Attracts high-intent clients by targeting keywords such as personal trainer in city or best gym for weight loss. SEO brings in people actively searching for your services. These are high-converting leads, more likely to join or inquire. Builds online authority, creating blog posts, workout tips. Good content earns trust, generates cost-effective leads. SEO is a long-term marketing tool that delivers free organic traffic. Once ranked, your site can bring in consistent leads without ongoing ad costs.